and reflect while following the stories of your character. So kasi yung sense na siguro mga aspeto pwede sila makalagay. Ano yung panghabang medyo complex din yung question.
Oo naman. Yung pagmamahala ng pamilya, unang-una yung pagmamahala ng pamilya, yung palagi mo sumusunod sa mga magulang mo. Pangalawa, yung talagang pagmamahal mo sa asawa mo na kahit buhay pa yung kapalit gagawin mo. Ano ba siya?
And also, I think yung mga problema rin po na pagdadaanan ng mag-asawa, that's going to be a huge part of the story na, yes, my wife is willing to die for me. She's willing to do everything she can para lang iligtas ako. Pero ano nga ba yung kapalit doon? And yung mga troubles that a husband and wife goes through and how they're gonna get over it. Through love kaya ba? Enough, sapat nga ba ang pagmamahal to keep it from failing, from marriage?
Okay. So next question, what other activities that keep you busy these days, aside from, of course, actor? Ano pinaka-busy yung well, pag non-shooting days?
Ako mami ako, alaga ng bata, pero alaga ng family, workout, konti. Tapos ngayon, babalik na ako sa work. So, ano ba? Pag-motor, ayan, medyo nagpamotor ako ngayon as a block writer. Ano pa ba? Yun lang. So ngayon, nakafocus ako dito sa series, sa promo, tapos magawa ng movie. After nun, hindi ko pa bahala na.
Ako naman po doing teleseries or doing films, I usually I do my best to come up with a script and pitch it to different platforms. For now, we have a movie coming out. I have a movie coming out with Undervigo Films, so I'm directing a horror film. So I'm really hoping for the best.
There you go. Congratulations in advance here. Last question from Sir Jerry, for the two of you. What does the word repeat in the title mean to your character and to yourself as an actor? Just Jerry. Repeat the question. What does the word repeat in the title mean to your character and to yourself as an actor?
Ang ibig sabihin ng repeat sa character or even as a professional actor as well. Siguro po, first thing that came to mind is just to keep on working on the craft. You're not, and especially po, we're working with established actors like Sir Carlos was closing this year. Of course, Direct Jerry. It's really, if there's one thing na makukuha ko po sa show, it's not, you're not gonna get it right away. But you're gonna have to keep on repeating, you have to keep on working on your craft. You're gonna keep on failing so many times in life. It's all about how you get back up and how you do it again and again. Maging perfect po.
Great answer. Yeah. Miss Jen. Okay na yan.
Mas mahirap sundan yun, sila na lang.
Thank you. Those are your questions, by the way. Hindi ko galing sa akin. Galing kay Sir Jerry Donato. Okay. Last to wrap up our Q&A today is Rachel Ziazon of PEP.
Hi, good afternoon. The question is for Zian and Vladimir. Kasi yung mga excited niya tingnan sa trailer kanina, it's either yung mahigaan or confrontation na sobrang intense. Was there ever a time na during shooting na meron naman kayong na-experience na blooper or unforgettable moment with your actor? Mas naging close kayo?
Tumawa si Miss Sue at si Miss Malupa meron. May kwento.
Oo, meron. Kasi okay. Siyempre, iiyak ako. Di ba pag sa morgue, yung patay, walang topping. Sisiyaw na lang ako. Nakakumot lang na gano'n. Tapos iiyak ako iiyak ako siya. Hindi ko alam na may ngingiti siya sa tapos, so umiiyak ko, bigay na bigay. Tapos, yung patay, sinisiko ako. Kinagano. Tapos nilitin ako siya na nalitin na niya siya kasi sinisiko niya ako.
Jetson talaga lang sa'yo. No, kasi po nasa morning ako kami nakahiga lang. Hindi ko, dagdagan mo na narinig ako. No, kasi nakahiga lang ako, hindi ako pwede kumilos kasi nga sabi ni Jerry, huwag ka munang hihingasiyan, nakikita kita, pwede bang tumigil ka? Kasi mahirap na nga po yung eksena, nagmamadali na po lahat. Si Jerry din po and my mom are crying. Tapos si Jerry po medyo nandito po sa area na to. Dito po siya sumisigaw. So parang hirap na po ako. Kumaka nanginginig na po ako. Mas sinisiko ko na lang siya paalis. So I think yun po yung mga little moments na kung bloopers man or yung mga halakak talaga namin mga moments. But mabigat po talaga siya na teleserye. It's really drama. It's really was mga pinagdadaanan ng mga asawa ng pamilya. But yun, yun po yung one of the bloopers that we share.
So after nun, mas naging close na kayo kasi grabe yung mga
I believe yung mga ganyan po mga moments, especially with si Victor all of a sudden magsa-stand up na lang po, sample naman Vic. No, I mean, ganun po, I think that really strengthened the bond with everyone. Kasi this year, magdadala po ng pagkain, magpapakain po siya. So I think that really helped with everyone.
For my last question, siguro describe na lang how did you find each other after working together? Kasi for Ian and Jerry. I mean,
Impressions on each other.
yeah, each other. Like, how did you find Jeneline as a co-actor?
Si Siyo naman, madali siyang pagsama kasi hindi, madali siya pagsama, pagaan siya kasi katrabaho, tsaka makwento, so madadala ka talaga. So, magiging friends kayo.
Ako pa ulit-ulit ko sinasabi sa mga nagtatanong po sa akin na fan din po ako, tulad nga sinabi nila na parang fan po ako ni Jeneline. Nung mga kabataan days ko po, nakikita ko pa yung notebook ng Jeneline Mercado. So, nakakatuwa lang na parang nung nakita ko siya, ikaw yung pinapanood ko noon, paano mga arte sa harapan mo, parang nakakahiya. Hindi na lang ito na nakakahiya, parang kami, pipicturean po kami last.
Talaga, naiiyak ka.
Oo nga, kanina kami yung picture sa, pwede ba mag-picture? Meron pa pong ilangan, but we're just really enjoying each other's company. And we're just enjoying the little moments that happens on set alongside with everybody else. Masaya lang po talaga. Despite yung napanood yung po ng iyakan, behind that is tawanan po at halaka.
Oo, siyempre hindi naman po pwede. Mabigat na yung mga eksena, bibigat na yung mga magkakasama, di ba? So, kailangan after ng sipag pag kayo, masaya naman, tapos mamaya iyak na lang, ulit na.
Congratulations to your brother.
Thank you so much, Ms. Rachel. And that's a wrap for our Q&A today.